Here we are in the third unit of Tiara. This one is on the 36th floor. It's also the highest price that we'll see today. This does come furnished. Cute. This layout is a mirror image of the last two that we saw. And forgive me as I walk over this carpet. Here's the start of your amazing view. Okay. You have a very large balcony, which I'll show you right now. Again, this is a mirror image of the first two units that we saw. And I still have more balcony space here. So amazing view, unobstructed. Beautiful unit, very tastefully done. Take a separate video for the kitchen.